Are you tired of dealing with the discomfort and pain of stomach ulcers? What if I told you there are 4 natural foods that could help heal those ulcers and bring you relief? In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of ulcer healing foods, uncovering their remarkable properties and how they can transform your digestive health. So get ready to say goodbye to ulcers and hello to a happier, healthier gut. In this video, we're discussing 4 natural foods that can help heal stomach ulcers. These ulcers, which can occur in the stomach or the first part of the small intestine, are often caused by H-pylori bacteria or excessive use of painkillers like NSAIDs. If left untreated, they can lead to complications like anemia and gastric obstruction. Certain foods can exacerbate stomach ulcers, including alcohol, fried foods, black pepper, cocoa, citrus fruits, tomatoes, and spicy herbs and spices. Avoiding these trigger foods is essential for managing ulcers. Now let's talk about the foods that can help heal ulcers. Firstly, cabbage contains a compound called vitamin U, which helps restore the mucus layer in the stomach and promotes natural healing of ulcers. Freshly made raw cabbage juice is especially effective in this regard. Secondly, Manuka honey contains methylglyoxal, which has potent antibacterial properties against H. pylori. It soothes the digestive tract and promotes the growth of friendly bacteria, aiding in ulcer healing. Next, extra virgin olive oil contains oleuropein and oleocanthal, which repair the protective barrier around the stomach lining, stimulate mucus production, and reduce inflammation and pain. Lastly, broccoli sprouts are rich in sulforaphane glucosinolates, which soothe the digestive system, remove toxins, and heal wounds and ulcers in the digestive tract. As a bonus, cooked shellfish and oysters are rich in zinc, which is essential for tissue repair and wound healing. Zinc replenishment helps strengthen the mucosal lining in the stomach, aiding in ulcer recovery. In addition to dietary changes, certain supplements can aid in ulcer healing, such as zinc L-carnosine, probiotics, and slippery elm. Overall, incorporating these healing foods into your diet while avoiding trigger foods can promote the natural healing of stomach ulcers and support digestive health. Thank you for watching, and remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice on managing stomach ulcers.